The mihi animas teratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 16th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And the message of our liturgy for today is very nice. God is leading us to pause for a while and really to evaluate how do we live our life and how is our relationship with Him. No? Sapagkat pinapakita po dito sa unang pagbasa, Abraham was able to see God passing by. And because na-recognize niya yung presence ni God, He made Himself available for him. No? Through His angels, Abraham recognized the presence of God. Kung kaya binigay niya lahat ng kanyang makakaya, ang kanyang oras, ang lahat ng kanyang kakayanan. And because of this, God blessed him. And in our gospel, taken from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 10, verse 38 to 42, a very well-known story in the Bible, wherein Martha and Mary, yung magkapatid, no? Martha is so busy, no, sa pag-aasikaso sa gawaing bahay. And he was so angry and said, Jesus, please tell to Mary to help me. Help me in fulfilling all these duties and responsibilities sa bahay na ito. Kasi nakaupo lang siya dyan. Wala siyang pake. Hindi man lamang siya tumulong. But the Lord said, Oh Martha, you're so busy. Mary has chosen the better part. Ano po yung pwede nating matutunan dito? Ano yung tinuturo sa atin ng ating celebration ngayon? May naalala kong kasabihan, be very careful because the devil will really make you so busy, so successful to the things that you are doing, that you become so busy that you don't have time anymore with your God. Be very careful. Baka marami na tayong alalahanin sa buhay. We are spending so much time fulfilling so many things, but forgetting the most important thing sa buhay natin. And that is acknowledging the presence of God and serve Him according to our capability. Ito po yung paalala sa atin ng ating celebration. We have to be balanced in our life. It's not bad to work. It's not bad really to spend time to improve and serve yourself and other people para lumago ka bilang isang tao. Ngunit, wag na wag mo ting kakalimutan na ang Diyos ay sumaatin. Binisita tayo ng Diyos. Sumasa atin ngayon ang Panginoon. Do we acknowledge His presence? And by acknowledging Him, do we give time for Him? In our first reading, in our gospel, this is the message. Do you still have time for your God? Do you still pray as you wake up and end the day? Do you still go to Holy Mass? Do you still do your personal time with God? Even though that you are so busy, marami tayong responsibilidad sa buhay na ito. Pero pinapaalalahanan tayo ngayong celebration na ito. The most important thing, as the Lord said, Mary has chosen the better part. To acknowledge me so that you may submit everything to me. Because mapapagod ka at saan ka uhugot ng lakas? Bibigyan ka ng Diyos ng lakas upang gampanan ang lahat ng responsibilidad sa buhay na ito. Tulad nga ng paalala, be very careful because the devil might be using the things in your life to keep you so busy na ilalayo ka niya sa presensya ng ating Panginoon. So let us ask ourselves, ano ba'y pinagkakaabalahan ko na nawawalan ako ng oras para sa aking Panginoon? So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.